children. Good morning. Do you all study the rhymes of Mary had a little lamb? Do you all practice it? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. He followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Study this rhymes. Today we are going to practice a new rhyme. In your book, look this. The elephant. Through the jungle, the elephant goes. How does the elephant go? Elephant have a long trunk. Do you see an elephant? How it is very big animal. It is the biggest animal on the land. And how it has a long trunk. How it will put its trunk in front and 4 fat legs and a fat body and big ears. How does it goes? Through the jungle the elephant goes, swaying his trunk to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. How? The elephant put its trunk up and down, to and fro, munching, crunching, tearing trees. What is elephant eating? It eats trees' leaves. It eats only grass and leaves. Munching, crunching, tearing trees, stamping seeds, eating leaves. His eyes are small. How? Its body is very big, but its eyes are very small. Eyes, look, the elephant's eyes are very small. His eyes are small. His feet are fat. How its feet? Its feet are fat. Hey, elephant, don't do that. Hey, elephant, don't do that. See, sing once more. Through the jungle the elephant goes, swaying his trunk to and fro, munching, crunching, tearing trees, stamping seeds and eating leaves. His eyes are small, his feet are fat. Hey, elephant, don't do that. His eyes are small, his feet are fat. Hey, elephant, don't do that. Practice to sing these rhymes. Here look, we have studied this. Look, the A, E, I, O, U filling words. Practice it once more to read. All of you study to read this sentence. How we are practicing to read T-H-E. How can we read the? The C-P cup. The cup is near, N-E-A-R, near the pup. The cup is near the pup. And the dog is on the log. The cat sleeps on the mat. Cat sleeps on the mat. Ben has a red pen. Ben has a red pen. I see a thin pin. I see a thin pin. Try to read this sentence and practice to reading. What is this? ND. Ending the words with ND. Sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. Ending with ND. S-A-N-D. Sand. H-A-N-D. Hand. B-A-N-D. Band. And ending with N-G. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. S-O-N-G. Song. K-I-N-G. King. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. R-I-N-G. Ring. And here also is said, look, the horse is strong animal. Horse is strong animal. The boy is on the swing. The fairy has a Wand in her hand. Wand in her hand. This is a tall tree. This is a tall tree. This is a tall tree. T-A-L-L. Tall. And here look. Book. O-O words. Long vowel words. B-O-O-K. Book. H-O-O-K. Hook. C-O-O-K. Cook. And cook has a book. Read. Read this sentence also. The cook has a book. The moon has a spoon. Bring the broom from the room. In some words we see E-E together. B-E-E-B, T-R-E-E tree, S-H-E-E-P sheep. The father has a green jeep. The jeep is near the queue. And here also look, we can make words like this. Look. T, C, P. O, O, L. How can we make words? Means T. T, O, O, L, tool. Now look. C, O, O, L, cool. P, O, O, L, pool. And here look. F, S, T, R, S, W. Here also E, E, T. Look. F, E, E, T. Feet. S, T, R, E, E, T. Street. S, W, E, E, T. Sweet. So try to read these words and spellings. Every day practice to read. Here look. Moon, room. Sheep, pure. Book, bag. Which are the words like one? Color their bells. Look. Fill in the blanks with O words. Do you all fill in done this work? Do you all done this exercise works? Means S-U-N. C-S-E-E. See the moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. See the moon. S-E-E-C. See the moon. There is a bee. B-E-E. Bee near the tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. The cook. C-O-O-K. Cook has a book. B-O-O-K. Book. T-H-R-E-E. Three. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Play in the field. 3 sheep play in the field. Do this exercise, all of you. And do you practice to read these yes or no questions? Is this a van? Yes, this is a van. Is this an ant? No. This is a jag. Is this a bear? Yes, this is a bear. Is this a pin? No, this is a pen. Is this a goat? Yes, this is a goat. Is this a bell? No, this is a house. Is this a bus? Do these works today. Is this a bus? No. What is this? This is a no. This is a bicycle. Is this a pot? Yes, this is a pot. Is this a bag? No, this is a mango. And is this a lion? No. Is this a lion? Yes, this is a lion. Is this a tree? No, this is a flower. Is this a boat? Yes, this is a boat. Here look, now we are going to practice something new. Means one cat. Only one thing. Here only one cat is here. So what say? One cat, many cat. One book, many book. Hat, hat. For book only one, we will say book. For many things what we will say? Books. Here look, only one thing we say book. If there are many, we say books, B-O-O-K-S. If there is only one pen, we say pen. If there are many pens, we say pens. Book, books. Pen, pens. Bag, bags. Hat, hats. Cat, cats. If there are more things, book, books. Cat, cats. Car, cars. Car, cars. Boy, boys. Like this, practice many things, adding this S. One and many. Thank you, children.